there was a sale in Myntra and Nykaa, so restocked some skincare and essentials. Without further delay, let's get started. Firstly, I have ordered the sliders of US Polo. I don't have the footage of wearing them. I have shared some of the pictures of them. Secondly, ordered a daily wear t-shirt from footwear. Ordered this flip flop from Mac for OT. Nice suit from Samskriti Homes. 2 comfortable 8 on 10. And also ordered another suit from Trendy, which was also okay, and on a scale of 10 I'm giving it. Ordered OT scrubs from Kanya. These are too comfortable and fit for OT. Here are some pictures. There was a sale on Nykaa. I have ordered some of my favorite skincare products. Firstly, this Laneige Sika sleeping mask. We wishlisted this product for so many days. This pink one was for free. Also ordered a body scrub. Recently I used it. Not so worthy. And 3 out of 10. And I'm gonna return this product. Sheet mask from Face Shop. And I've ordered this rice water face mask. And also ordered some bestsellers which I have been wishlisted from so many days since now. Ordered this Neutrogena sunscreen. And my favorite face wash from Face Shop. Be ready for the next one.